Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 ways you can make money online in 2024. Whether you're a student looking to earn extra cash or someone aiming to build a full-fledged online business, these strategies are hot in today's digital landscape. Number 1. Print on demand. Print on demand, or POD, is a business model where products are customized with designs as per customer orders. Unlike traditional retail models, POD doesn't require you to hold inventory or handle shipping. Instead, products are manufactured and shipped directly to customers once an order is placed. Popular POD items include clothing, accessories, home decor, and more. The key advantages are minimal upfront costs and the ability to offer unique, personalized products to customers. Let's break down the process of how print on demand works. First, you create or upload your designs. Next, you integrate with a POD platform. These platforms handle printing, production, and shipping. When a customer buys a product with your design, the platform prints it and ships it directly to them. You earn a profit margin on each sale. Here's how to get started. Choose your niche and target audience. Research trends and identify what sells. Create or source high-quality designs. Consider using design tools or hiring freelancers. Sign up on a POD platform. Popular options include Printful, Teespring, and Spreadshirt. Upload your designs and customize products. Set your prices and profit margins. Launch your store and start marketing. Utilize social media, SEO, and advertising to reach your audience. Success in print on demand requires more than just uploading designs. Here are some tips to maximize your chances. Quality matters. Ensure your designs are unique and high quality. Marketing is key. Use social media, email marketing, and collaborations to promote your products. Stay updated, monitor trends, and adjust your designs and strategies accordingly. Customer service. Provide excellent customer support to build trust and loyalty. Like any business, print on demand comes with its challenges. To overcome these challenges, focus on niche markets to stand out. Use watermarking and copyright protections for your designs. Constantly innovate and adapt to market demands. Number 2. Social media management. So, what exactly is social media management? Simply put, it involves creating, scheduling, analyzing, and engaging with content posted on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and more. A social media manager's role is to build and maintain a brand's presence across social media channels to reach and engage with their target audience. This can include anything from posting updates, running ad campaigns, and responding to comments, to analyzing performance metrics and adjusting strategies. Social media management is crucial for businesses today. With billions of people using social media worldwide, it's a powerful tool for reaching potential customers. Effective social media management can increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads, and ultimately boost sales. Plus, it helps in building a community around your brand and fostering customer loyalty. Here are the steps to begin your journey in social media management. Choose your platforms. Identify which social media platforms are most relevant to your audience. Facebook and Instagram are great for visual content, LinkedIn for professional networking, Twitter for real-time updates, and so on. Create a strategy, outline your goals, target audience, content types, posting frequency, and key performance indicators, KPIs. This will guide your efforts and help measure success. Content creation. Develop engaging and relevant content. Use high-quality images, videos, and graphics. Tools like Canva, Adobe Spark, and even your smartphone can help you create stunning visuals. Scheduling and automation. Use social media management tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Later to schedule posts in advance. This ensures consistency and saves time. Engagement. Interact with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and mentions. Building a community takes active participation. Analytics. Regularly review your social media performance using built-in analytics or third-party tools like Sprout Social or Google Analytics. Adjust your strategy based on what works and what doesn't. Here are some tips to help you excel in social media management. Be consistent. Regular posting helps keep your audience engaged and your brand top of mind. Know your audience. Tailor your content to meet the preferences and needs of your target audience. Use hashtags wisely. Hashtags can increase your content's visibility. Use relevant and trending hashtags, but don't overdo it. Leverage trends. Stay updated with the latest trends and incorporate them into your content strategy. Analyze and adapt. Continuously monitor your performance and be ready to pivot your strategy based on the insights you gather. Collaborate. Partner with influencers or other brands to expand your reach and credibility. Like any field, social media management comes with its challenges. Here's how to overcome some common obstacles. First, dealing with low engagement. If your posts aren't getting much traction, try different types of content. Ask questions to prompt interaction, and engage with other users' content to boost visibility. Second, handling negative feedback. Always respond professionally and empathetically to negative comments. Address the issue and show that you're committed to resolving it. Third, staying updated. Social media trends and algorithms change frequently. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, and join professional groups to stay informed. Fourth, time management. Use scheduling tools and plan your content calendar in advance to stay organized and efficient. Number 3, digital marketing. First, let's define what digital marketing is. In simple terms, digital marketing refers to all marketing efforts that use the internet or an electronic device. Businesses leverage digital channels such as search engines, social media, email, and other websites to connect with current and prospective customers. Digital marketing encompasses a wide range of strategies and tactics, including search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, affiliate marketing, and email marketing. Digital marketing is essential in today's business environment. With billions of people online, digital marketing allows businesses to reach a global audience in a cost-effective, measurable way. It helps in building brand awareness, driving traffic to websites, generating leads, and ultimately, increasing sales. Plus, it offers the ability to interact with and understand your audience directly, building lasting customer relationships. Here are the steps to begin your journey in digital marketing. First, define your goals. Clearly outline what you want to achieve with digital marketing. This could be increasing website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. Second, identify your target audience. Understand who your potential customers are. Consider demographics, interests, and online behavior. Third, create a digital marketing plan. Develop a strategy that includes your goals, target audience, channels you'll use, and the type of content you'll create. Fourth, set up your website and social media accounts. Ensure your website is user-friendly and optimized for search engines. Create professional profiles on relevant social media platforms. Fifth, use tools for efficiency. Utilize digital marketing tools like Google Analytics for tracking, Hootsuite for social media management, and MailChimp for email marketing. Sixth, start creating and sharing content. Content is king in digital marketing. Create valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. Let's delve into some key digital marketing strategies you should consider. First, search engine optimization, SEO, improving your website's visibility on search engines to attract more organic traffic. Focus on keyword research, on-page optimization, and building backlinks. Second, content marketing, creating and distributing valuable content to attract and engage your target audience. This includes blog posts, videos, infographics, and ebooks. Third, social media marketing, leveraging platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter to promote your brand and engage with your audience. Fourth, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, running ads on platforms like Google AdWords and social media. You pay a fee each time one of your ads is clicked. Fifth, affiliate marketing, partnering with individuals or companies to promote your products, with commissions paid for sales generated through their efforts. Sixth, email marketing, building a list of subscribers and sending them targeted, valuable emails to nurture relationships and drive sales. Here are some tips to help you excel in digital marketing. Understand your audience. Use analytics and insights to learn about your audience's behavior and preferences. Be consistent. Consistency in posting and messaging helps build trust and recognition. Use data to drive decisions. Regularly analyze your campaigns and make data-driven decisions to optimize performance. Stay updated with trends. The digital landscape is always changing. Stay informed about the latest trends and technologies. Focus on quality over quantity. High quality, valuable content will always outperform a large volume of low-quality content. Test and iterate. Continuously test different strategies and tactics. Learn from the results and refine your approach. Digital marketing is not without its challenges. Here's how to overcome some common obstacles. First, dealing with high competition. Stand out by offering unique value and superior customer experiences. Second, managing time and resources. Prioritize high-impact activities and use automation tools to save time. Third, keeping up with algorithm changes. Follow industry blogs and updates to stay informed about changes in platform algorithms. Fourth, measuring ROI. Set clear KPIs and use analytics tools to track and measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. Fifth, maintaining consistency. develop a content calendar and schedule posts in advance to ensure consistency. Number 4. Using AI in content creation. First, let's define what AI in content creation is. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. In the context of content creation, AI tools can generate, curate, and enhance content, making the process faster and often more efficient. AI can assist in creating blog posts, social media updates, marketing copy, video scripts, and more. These tools analyze vast amounts of data to generate content that is relevant, engaging, and tailored to your needs. Using AI for content creation offers numerous benefits. Here's why it's becoming increasingly popular. AI tools can save time by automating repetitive tasks, provide fresh ideas by analyzing trends, enhance creativity by offering new perspectives, and improve efficiency by generating large volumes of content quickly. Additionally, AI can help in personalizing content for different segments of your audience, increasing engagement and effectiveness. Here are the steps to begin your journey in AI content creation. 1. Choose your AI tool. There are several AI content creation tools available, such as GPT-4 by OpenAI, Jasper, Copy AI, and Redsonic. Research and select the one that best fits your needs. 2. Define your content goals. Clearly outline what you want to achieve with AI-generated content. This could be blog posts, social media content, email newsletters, or video scripts. 3. Set up your account, sign up for the chosen AI tool, and explore its features. Most tools offer tutorials or guides to help you get started. 4. Input your parameters. Provide the AI with necessary inputs such as keywords, topics, and desired length. The more specific you are, the better the output. 5. Generate and edit content. Use the AI tool to generate content, then review and edit it to match your brand voice and style. 6. Publish and monitor performance. Publish the content and monitor its performance. Use analytics to track engagement and make necessary adjustments. Let's take a closer look at some of the key AI tools available for content creation. GPT-4 by OpenAI, known for its advanced language processing capabilities. GPT-4 can generate human-like text based on the prompts you provide. Jasper, formerly Jarvis, this tool is popular for creating marketing copy, blog posts, and social media content. It offers various templates and customization options. Copy AI, ideal for creating short-form content like ad copy and social media updates. It provides quick content generation with easy editing features. Redsonic, known for its versatility. Redsonic can generate long-form content, product descriptions, and more. Surfer SEO integrates AI content creation with SEO optimization, helping you create content that ranks well on search engines. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of AI content creation. Be specific with inputs. The more detailed your inputs, the better the AI can generate relevant content. Edit and personalize. Always review and edit the AI-generated content to ensure it aligns with your brand voice and message. Use AI as a creative partner. Let AI assist in brainstorming and ideation, but bring your unique insights and creativity to the final output. Stay updated. AI tools are constantly evolving. Stay updated with new features and improvements to make the most of them. Combined with human efforts, AI is a powerful tool, but it's most effective when combined with human creativity and oversight. AI content creation comes with its challenges. Here's how to overcome some common obstacles. 1. Generic content. AI can sometimes generate content that feels generic. To overcome this, provide more specific and detailed inputs, and always add your unique perspective. 2. Quality control. Not all AI-generated content will be perfect. Regularly review and edit to ensure high quality and accuracy. 3. Maintaining authenticity. AI can assist with content creation, but ensure that your content remains authentic and true to your brand's voice and values. 4. Data privacy. Be cautious about the data you input into AI tools. Choose reputable platforms that prioritize data security. Number 5. Trading and investing. First, let's define what trading and investing are. Trading refers to the buying and selling of financial instruments like stocks, bonds, commodities, and currencies within a short time frame, often with the goal of making quick profits. Investing, on the other hand, involves purchasing assets to hold for the long term, aiming to build wealth gradually through the appreciation of those assets and dividends. While both trading and investing aim to generate profits, the key difference lies in the time frame and strategy. Traders capitalize on short-term market fluctuations, whereas investors focus on long-term growth and value. Trading can offer high returns in a short period, but it also comes with higher risk. It's suitable for those who have time to monitor markets closely and are comfortable with the volatility. Investing, on the other hand, is a way to build wealth over time, benefiting from compound interest and the growth of the economy. It's generally less risky and is ideal for long-term financial goals like retirement or education. Here's how to get started. 1. Educate yourself before diving into trading. It's crucial to understand the basics. Read books, take online courses, and follow financial news. 2. Choose a broker. Select a reputable online broker that suits your trading needs. Consider factors like fees, platform usability, and customer service. 3. Develop a trading plan. Outline your trading goals, risk tolerance, and strategies. A solid plan will guide your decisions and help manage emotions. 4. Practice with a demo account. Many brokers offer demo accounts where you can practice trading with virtual money. This helps you gain experience without risking real capital. 5. Start small. Begin with a small amount of money you can afford to lose. Gradually increase your investment as you gain confidence and experience. 6. Monitor and adjust. Keep track of your trades, review your performance, and adjust your strategies as needed. Continuous learning and adaptation are key to trading success. Interested in investing? Here's how to get started. 1. Set clear goals. Determine your financial goals and time horizon. This will help you choose the right investments. 2. Choose an investment account. Open an investment account with a brokerage or financial institution. Consider options like individual brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, IRAs, or robo-advisors. 3. Build a diversified portfolio. Spread your investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate to reduce risk. Diversification helps protect your portfolio from market volatility. 4. Research and select investments. Conduct thorough research on potential investments. Consider factors like historical performance, company fundamentals, and market trends. 5. Invest regularly. Consistent investing, such as dollar-cost averaging, helps mitigate the impact of market volatility and build your portfolio over time. 6. Monitor and rebalance. Periodically review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Rebalance if necessary to maintain your desired asset allocation. Let's delve into some key strategies for both trading and investing. For trading, day trading, buying and selling securities within the same trading day, requires quick decision-making and constant market monitoring. Swing trading, holding positions for several days to weeks, aiming to profit from short to medium-term price movements. Scalping, making numerous small trades to capitalize on small price changes. This strategy requires high focus and quick execution. For investing, value investing, buying undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals and holding them until their true value is realized. Growth investing, investing in companies with high growth potential, even if their stock prices are relatively high. Income investing, focusing on investments that generate regular income, such as dividend-paying stocks or bonds. Here are some tips to help you succeed in trading and investing. Stay informed. Keep up with financial news, market trends, and economic indicators. Knowledge is power in both trading and investing. Manage risk. Always use risk management techniques like stop-loss orders and position sizing to protect your capital. Keep emotions in check. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Stick to your plan and strategies. Be patient, especially for investing. Patience is crucial. Markets can be volatile in the short term but tend to grow over the long term. Learn from mistakes, analyze your trades and investments to understand what worked and what didn't. Use these insights to improve your strategies. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure, consider consulting with a financial advisor or investing professional. Trading and investing come with challenges. Here's how to overcome some common obstacles. 1. Market volatility. Stay diversified and focus on long-term goals. Don't panic during short-term market fluctuations. 2. Information overload. Stick to reputable sources and avoid making decisions based on rumors or unverified information. 3. Overtrading. Avoid excessive trading, which can lead to high costs and emotional stress. Stick to your plan and trade selectively. 4. Unrealistic expectations. Set realistic goals and understand that both trading and investing involve risks. There are no guaranteed returns. There you have it, folks, our top 5 ways to make money online in 2024. Which method caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for more tips on mastering the digital landscape. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling.